Hello everyone. Today I would like to introduce one of my drawing called Atlantis and Lemuria merging. It is about 10 feet long and I have been feeling this a lot these days. Many of you who are listening to me understand how the timeline is merging right now. And in order to create a new future by merging the timeline, we all needed to transform our old belief, old memories, heal the pain and the past traumatic experiences. But I also recognize that many of us are focusing a lot to the trauma and painful memories. But it is also good to remember the happiest, prosperous, abundant, joyful time of the past. I mean, there's no time of past and future, but in a way we kind of see in a linear way still. And for example, Atlantis, they sunk from the big mistake and we created a big trauma within our memory. But also there was an amazing golden time where everybody was happy and so connected together in oneness within us all and with the Creator. And so at Lemuria, there's a time that they were all in harmony with the Mother Earth and nature, and they had amazing, amazing time. And same as our lifetime, when we look around, there is amazing time that we experienced in this lifetime. So to create a new world, it's also important to look at the happy part, the amazing part, beautiful part, joyful part of our life. How much love we shared with others. How much beauty you recognized in your life. So this drawing had been talking to me in that way recently. So I would like to share the detail of this drawing, and hopefully you can feel something uplifting from especially those civilizations that I focused on, Lemuria and Atlantis. But also there are a lot of galactic presence in that civilization. So there are a lot of very positive, beautiful aspect, element of the times. So I hope you enjoy seeing all these details of this artwork, and I will play my flute song along with it. Thank you for watching. If you come to Mount Shasta in California, you're welcome to visit my cosmic playground, Blue Star Child Gallery on the main street. And also you can go to my website, bluestarchildgallery.com, and you can purchase the beautiful artwork reproductions so that you can have your own sacred temple in your house. Again, thank you and much love to you. See you next time.